Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode we are going to learn how we can enable the experimental and preview features for a particular Power App. But before we move to the video, here is a short intro. Right now I am in my Power Apps and I have created one simple canvas apps called as enable experimental and preview features. Let me try to edit this Power App. So now it's loaded. As you can see, it is having nothing much more than a simple submit button. And what I wanted to show is how we can enable the experimental and preview features for this Power App. So to do that, we have to go into the settings and we need to click on this right and left hand side bottom settings gear icon, and now we need to go into this upcoming features, and from here what we can do is we can enable the preview or experimental or retired features for this particular Power App. So let's say I want to enable the experimental feature of parse JSON. As parse JSON. So as you can see, this is a experimental feature, so it might change, break or disappear at any time. So if I want to enable this feature, what I can do is I can just click on this toggle button and it will ask me to the full page refresh is needed to apply this change, means enable this feature, and any of your work which is not saved can be removed, so we need to save it before refresh. So let's hit OK, and then hit save, so that all the work which we have done in our Power App can be saved. And if I go and refresh the page, and if I go again in that particular settings and upcoming feature and try to search for parse, now it's enabled. So now I can use this parse JSON function in my Power App. I'm going to create one more detailed video how we can use this parse JSON function and populate the data with some JSON objects in that. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please be kind enough to like it